Hello everyone, welcome to Nanda's cookbook. Today's recipe is delicious dessert recipe kaddukikheer or pumpkin kheer. Tastes awesome. So let's start. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee heats, add pumpkin cubes into it. Give a stir. I have taken 150 grams of pumpkin cubes. To that add 1 cup of water and cook it for 10 minutes in medium flame. The pumpkin cubes cooked well. Turn off the flame, let it cool and transfer it into the mixer jar and blend it into fine puree. Now heat pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and fry the cashews till the cashews turns golden. Once the cashews turn golden, transfer it into a bowl. To the same ghee, add pumpkin puree into it. Add half cup of sugar and cook till the sugar dissolves completely. Now add 1 cup of milk into it. I am using boiled milk. Cook it for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now the kheer has turned thick and creamy. Turn off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. The yummy pumpkin kheer is ready. Finally, add fried cashews and serve hot or chilled. So try out this recipe, friends. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.